going to do the easiest Valentine's Day recipe that you can do with some simple ingredients that you can get in your local grocery store. First thing that you're gonna need is one of these babies right here. This is from the Pillsbury brand. It's the croissant dough sheet, okay? It's really simple. You can make your own dough sheet, but I don't have time for that, so why not just buy it already so you can get to the cooking. You're gonna need some Philadelphia cream cheese. I ended up getting this strawberry filling, okay? You can do whatever kind of filling, but I feel like strawberry is just so bomb, especially for the occasion. So I ended up getting these. Also ended up getting some okay, oh, just kidding. Okay, so I also ended up getting some non-stick parchment paper. Tell me why I was telling the lady, where's the Parmesan paper? Who, don't listen to me. She's like, you mean the parchment paper? I'm like, that one. Here, then a non-stick tray to put your stuff, powdered sugar, mittens, and you're also gonna need some kind of heart design. I couldn't find like cookie cutters, so I DIY'd, thought about something. Cover boxes, I literally just need to imprint like the shape to the dough, so this works if you guys have it. Let's get cooking. Okay, so we are going to start peeling. That's to peel, and I guess it's the top. Probably didn't do it right. Let me see. I'm always scared of these things because I feel like I did something wrong. Oh, there it goes. There it is. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to open the sheet. Suggestions start at the end so it doesn't get too messy, but it should be almost the same size of the baking pan. Just want to make it as straight as possible. Okay, pretty good. Shapes. Like I said, I ended up getting 2 of these. I'm gonna use this top part one so I can kind of like make the shape of it. So here we go. There's one. There's 2. Let's see if we can do that one. Here's 3. Here's 4. Okay, I'm gonna make 4 right now with this kind of, and then carefully, well, see, I have to, if mine's not, I have to press it harder, or you just have to rip it off. Actually, I could rip it off, never mind. So you just gotta be very gentle. Okay, so I have finished cutting it around, and you're gonna have a lot of this left over, but you're gonna honestly, you can keep doing these, or I'm gonna show you that I'm gonna do different kinds of shapes. But for now, we're just gonna focus on the hearts. Like I said, if you have different cookie cutter shapes, it's easier, but I don't. So what you wanna do now is make another heart, just smaller. And I'm gonna make mine in the center of the one that I already have for these. And the reason why we're doing this is because we are going to fill in this heart with the cream cheese and the filling, the strawberries, or whatever you want to put. If you want to put real strawberries or real fruit, you can, but we're just doing a quick little recipe that you don't need too much craziness. Okay, now I am opening my cream cheese, and since it's already in a little container, oh sorry, since it's already in a little container, you have 2 options. You can add a little bit of regular sugar to sweeten it a little bit, or leave it as it is. The strawberry is already sweet, so I don't want to make mine super sweet. This one's not super unhealthy or anything like that. It's only 80 calories. It doesn't have any fat. It has a little bit of salt here, and 15 grams of sugar, which is not super bad for a big container like this. So I am going to not like add sugar to this, but you can. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a little bit, and you see in the center where we made the heart shape, we are going to spread the cream cheese. Okay. This is definitely something fun you can do with the kids. All my kids are in school right now except baby, so I'm just enjoying this and doing it by myself. I'll probably let them do some for actual Valentine's Day, but I just want to show you guys this so you guys can do it for your guys' mates. So just like that is how you're going to put the cream cheese, and then very easy, open the, but I'm going to put just a little bit, probably like 2 strawberries on each of the hearts, so it's not like so sweet. Just like that. You can see I have already preheated my oven to 400 degrees, which is what you have to do. We're going to pop these babies in there for 15 minutes, nothing crazy. And while those are baking, we're going to do another idea. Oh my god, I'm so excited for these. Can't wait to try them. We are going to add some. This stuff is like really messy. Like, I kid you not. And put some on top. Just like that. We're gonna put more when they come out. But in the meantime, we're just gonna leave it like that. Okay, so we are going to go right into the next pastry that you can incorporate with that one that you're baking right now. Same thing, put your paper. See, and we're going to do I love you. Oh my gosh, I should slap myself. So I did have a heart-shaped cookie cutter and I totally forgot. So we're going to end up doing the I love you pastry, which is going to be a little different than the one we just made. I am going to make the first letter, which is I, and we're just going to press it down. I'm going to make 2. I'll show you why in just a sec. I'm going to make them a little bit like, I'm going to push them a little bit because they're kind of thick. So I will put some of this again, very, very little though, like barely. Just enough to have like, to make it taste good, you know? And I'm also going to add a little bit of powdered sugar to that one. Since it's just a little bit. I'm not gonna put a whole strawberry in it. I'm just going to literally like put like the jam part of it. If that makes sense. Just for the taste. Like that. And then what you're gonna do is you're going to put your other eye on top of it, and you need a fork. And it loses its shape. You want to like kind of like stitch it up, you know? Stitch it up. And here we go. Same thing, guys. Put it in the oven for 15 minutes. Let's go. It's ready. I'm so excited to take it out, guys. Oh my god. It looks so cute. Wow. I am so excited. Look at that beautiful, oh my gosh, I'm so proud of myself. Look guys, these beautiful cream cheese strawberry. Oh my god, now we gotta add the fun part. As you can see, mine are a little bit toastier, which I love, but if you don't want them to like browned, just put 375 or 350. For these other ones that I'm about to pop in the oven, I'm gonna do 350 and see the difference. So let's do it. Okay, these didn't come out as brown as these because I left these for a different time. I did 350 and then the last 5 minutes I did 375. They are nice and crispy, but they're also a little soft. So this is actually the consistency that you want them. These are still bomb, but they're a little bit more caramelized at the end. They're still bomb though. So now for these, we are going to add my pot of sugar. Que rico. You can always fill these in with Nutella or whatever in the world your little heart desires. But these are bomb, 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 bomb.